Hello. Today I would like to show you and share with you my excitement. Let's get there. It grows here in the quails aviary, in the quail kingdom. And look at it. There it is. My very first black Brazilian cherry fruit. Still red. It just turned red, and I will be waiting for it to get a bit darker to get the taste, because I never tasted them. This is one of a few bushes of the black Brazilian cherry bushes I grew from a seed, and this is the first one which got a fruit. So looks like the quails are fertilizing it nicely. A bit wet today here because it was raining again, which I am very thankful for. I don't have to water my young fruit trees. Look at this beauty. And it's a good size actually too. So yeah, I won't even touch it because I don't want that to damage the fruit or to get it to drop. And yeah, I will see how long does it take. Probably not too long, until I can taste it and let you know what I'm thinking about it, especially because this this fruiting bush is grown from a seed. So, and if it's yummy and tasty and with a really good flavor, I will grow some plants from cuttings. But first of all, let's try it, and until then I will probably put a netting back on top of it on the entire branch, so it doesn't drop down without me here baying. And I will harvest as soon as it turns a bit darker. Imagine it will drop down and the quails will eat it away without me. It will be a disaster. So, nicely protected now. See you later. And we are back here. 2 days later, I decided to take the net off and harvest my very first black Brazilian cherry, the Black Beauty, Suriname cherry, and check how does it taste. There she is. Very pretty. Nice size actually. What a wonderful color. So everyone who grows their own fruit knows my excitement, because especially because it's the very first time I get to taste this fruit, and because I grew it from a seed. So as you probably know, you never know what comes out when you grow fruit from a seed. Let's bite in. This is the inside of the fruit. Very sweet, a little bit tart. So look, very juicy, really yummy. It's like the tropical kind of fruit. You can taste the warmth. The sweetness, yeah, the juice, just beautiful. It's got a seed inside, one seed. And yeah, I'm very happy with this fruit. It was 2 years for me now, not even. This is its second year when I got the very first fruit. So, and I have a few bushes, few of these. So yeah, looking forward to the delicious treat. And because it's my very first fruit of this kind, I will share it with Seb, so he gets the second half to try. And I hope you liked the video, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye bye.